ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। संस्कृत बालादर्शे एकोनविंशः पाठः सत्यं जयति न अनृतम्। We have seen up to the second paragraph. Okay, we have to see. आसीत् पुरा सुवर्णवर्णे सुवर्णपुरे धर्मान् कश्चित् वैश्यः. Vaishya is merchant. We have some paryaya shabda. We have seen all these lines. Second paragraph we are doing. Vaishya, vanik, vanij shabda. We have seen vanik, vanijo, vanijaha, vanik, vyapari, or vit. Shakaranta shabda, vit, vit, vishav, vishaha, visham, vishav, vishaha, vita, sorry, visha, vit, vyam, vish. Vit also means merchant. Sreshti is another name for merchant. So Vaishya, Sreshti, the one who engages in trading. Vaishya, Vaishya, Varna, Varna Vyavastha. So all these are paryaya shabda. Tasya dve bharye astam, bharya patni. Then we have karatram. So there are many words in fact. So dve bharye astam. And Dhanavan, okay, Dhanavan, Dhanikah Dhani, which we have seen paryaya shabda. Tayoho, Jyayasi Bandhya. Bandhya is Aprajata, another word. Aprajata. Aprajata means the one who doesn't give birth. Aprajata. Vandya. Anapatya, another word for Vandya. Kaniyasi tu putramekam prasuta. Te dve api balam snehena poshayata. Poshayati bibarti. Darayati. Dadhati sustains. So therefore, these are the other verbs. Poshayati Bibarti. Then okay. Ata Kiyata Tadita word. Interesting. Here the word in the advanced Sanskrit class we was discussing about this Kiyat Shabda. Kiyat is how the word Kiyat is derived. It's a Kiyat is it is declined like Dimat. Diman Divanto Diamantaha. Kyan Kyanto Kyanta in Pullinga. So we'll see that all the Shabda how it is derived later. The Kiyat is it's a Ugitanta Shabda. I'm not sure whether we discuss Ugitanta and all. You know Ugitanta? Did I teach you Ugit? No? Anybody?
Yes, we told some in some context you have mentioned.
Ugitanta. Okay.
Yeah, that Nishta Pratyaya.
Not Nishta. Ugitanta is
No, that the previous
Atu ending like that you have mentioned it.
yeah, exactly. Atu ending.
options field.
Atu ending. Ugitanta. Okay. I will say something about that. We'll see more on that dedicatedly when you see Vyakaranam. Here, the Ugitanta. By saying Ugit, we can cover so many other things also. So let me say something about Ugit. Ugitanta Pratipadikam. How do we find out Ugitanta? So you can see there may be some rules. We'll see all those things later. Now you see my word file. You will not see in detail, but some idea so that we can develop on that later. Ugitanta Pratipadika Sambandha Niyamaha. What is Ugit? What is Ugit?
As the
That would is the eighth letter.
What is Uk?
Urlu.
Urulu.
The letters of the Pratyahara, Ukara, Rikara, Likara. Who stands for its Savana Rupam also. Dirga Ukara, similarly Dirga Rikara, and Dirga Likara. Is there? No.
No.
Only Rasva only. So it stands for its Savana also. So for Uk letters, which are it in the Pradipadikam, that Pradipadikam, and also it is at the end. Okay. Therefore, it is end means it is a it letter and it is at the end. Therefore, you don't see that it letter. When you say Dimat is the Pradipadikam ending with what letter? Dimat, Takaranta, right? But it is a Ugitanta Pradipadikam. Ugit means, therefore, that Pradipadikam must be ending with some Uk it letter. Uk letter, when Uk Pratyahara, the Varna, as the it letter. So, for example, Dimat, if you take, it is actually Di Matum. Really speaking, it is Di Matum. Pakara, it letter. Alan, the last consonant is it. And who, that is also it. So, removing the it letter, what is the content? Dimat. That is Dimat Pratipadikam Takarantaha Pullingaha Dimat Shabdaha. We have Dimat. Similarly, this is one example. Shatranta. If you see really Shatranta, it is Patatru actually. Here also we have the it letter. What it letter?
Ru.
Re is Uk letter. Therefore Ugit. Ugit anta pradipadikam dhimat. Ugit anta pradipadikam patatru. Patatru, no, is it, the content is patat. Therefore patat is takarantaha shabdaha. Ugit anta pradipadikam it is. Right? So like that we have. Similarly, nishta pratyaya. Now you take nishta pratyaya. Patita, what? What is the pratyaya? Patitavat pradipadikam, but with the ita letter,
Who?
what is the what is the pratyaya? The nishta pratyaya. Tava,
Tavatu.
tavatum. Who is there? That is the pratyaya at the end of the pradipadikam. What pratyaya the pradipadikam? Tavatu end pratyaya the pradipadikam. Therefore it must be tavatu, right? Here kakara is ita letter, therefore it is, you can say tavatu. The tavatu is there. So tavatu. Therefore this is also ugitanta pradipadikam, right? What is the content? Patitavat. So all this you can see they are ugitanta pradipadikam. And another example, like a dhimata, we have they say bala vatum. This is also vatum. In fact, matup and vatup are same meaning only. They have the same meaning. He asya asti iti dhimat, dhiman. Balam asya asti iti balavan. So it is actually matup only. This is matup. But what happens to makara is, since the pratipadikam, since the prakriti, there's also a pratipadikam. I mean, we'll talk about this. Bala ending with what letter? Akara. Because it is akara, therefore mas becomes akara. That's a rule. Here D is ending with, not with akara, right? Therefore ma will remain as it is, matup. So from this you know, that is the anga. If it ending with akara, then ma will be replaced by makara, will be replaced by makara. Therefore it is same. Understand? Therefore you get balavat. Balavat, dhimat, tadita words. Taditanta pratipadikam. Tadita meaning tadita pratyas are added to pratipadikam to get another pratipadikam. Therefore bala is a pratipadikam. That's what I said. Bala is a pratipadikam. And bala akaranta pratipadikam. Here the is ikaranta pratipadikam. From a pratipadikam we derive another pratipadikam. See, all these are possibilities. We can derive a dhatu from the pratipadikam also. That's called nama dhatu. See, we can derive a kridanta, that is a pratipadikam from a dhatu. We can derive a pratipadikam from a pratipadikam. See, again I'm saying, from a dhatu we can derive a pratipadikam, like kridantas, tadita, etc. Nishta and we have seen. Nishta pratyaya. From a pratipadikam we derive another pratipadikam, tadita. From a pratipadikam we can derive a dhatu, that is nama dhatu. The certain pratyas adding which we get. All these are, therefore there is no limit. We can and nijanta nicha also is, we can derive the causative form also. So many possibilities are there. Therefore there is you cannot have, like English, we don't have the vocabulary. This all can develop. We can derive a pratipadikam from a kridanta and again make it another pratipadikam, and we can convert it to a dhatu. From a dhatu again you can derive a kridanta. You can do like that. That is certain. That's why we don't have dictionary literally for Sanskritam. Basic words you will see. Now these pratipadikam, another pratipadikam is derived, dhimata. Therefore this mata pratyaya must be tadita. So tadita pratyas are those pratyas which when employed converts a pratipadikam into another pratipadikam, right? So here, since D is ikaranta, therefore ma remains as it is. Here pratipadikam is akaranta, therefore ma becomes va. Therefore both are same. This both belongs to same category, taditanta pratipadikam. Whereas patat is kridanta, derived from patadhatu. The Pratipadikam derived from the Dhatu. Similarly, Patitavat, Kridanta, Nishta Pratyanta, Pratipadikam. Nishtas are Krit Pratyas. Therefore, Kridanta. Now, there's a common thing in all of them. What is that? All are
Atu ending.
Atu Ugit Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Right? All are Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Among them, there is all are Ugitanta. Among them, there is a difference also. That is, this Pratipadikam, Atu ending, you can say. There's this small difference will make a significant contribution in the derivation of the Pratipadikam. We will see that. What about Patatri? Is it Atu? No,
It's
it is
room.
not. It is no. Therefore, we can say it is Atru, in fact, right? It is not Atu. So these three are Atu, right? 1, 2, 3. All are Bugitanta Pratipadikam. Among them, the three are Atu. Okay. So, and you can see all are ending with Takaranta Shabda. So because Takaranta can be derived like Marut. No. You cannot derive like Marut. Marut is not Ugitanta. Marut, it's a Unadi Pratyanta word. It derives from Unadi Pratyaya. Unadi, it's a derived from a dhatu, and Unadi Pratyaya is added. Therefore, it is a Kridanta. Therefore, it is not like Patat. So it is, that's why it is distinct. Marut, Maruta, Maruta. But the easiest Shabda, Marut. Now, I will state a rule. These are Ugitanta. Now, the rule, that is, you know what Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya means, right? So, just out for Pullinga and Strilinga. And for Napumsakalinga,
Just and just.
so when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Ugitanta Pratipadikam will get Num Agama.
Num.
It's a rule. Sarvanamasthane Num Adhatoho. The rule is there. Therefore, you will get Num Agama. That is why Dimat, when you decline, Diman, from where Nakara comes? Diman, Dimantau, that also Mantau is there. Dimantaha. So you take these two, or this first let us take this Matup, right? Matup is month. Numagama, I'm taking just the Pratyaya ending. Okay. This is Mat is a part of the Mat is not the Mat is a part of the Pratipadika, and Mat is the Pratyaya, right? D plus Matup. Matup is the Pratyaya. Content of Matup is Mat. Anyway, the Numagama will be added to
the last vowel.
After the last vowel, the Numagama should be added, right? Added to the Pratipadikam and after the last vowel. So here the Pratyaya we have Ma, that is that is the last vowel. So Num will come here. So Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam, you will have, it will be ending with a month. The month is Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Right? Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam is the month. I'm not writing the entire Shabda, just writing the Pratyaya alone I'm writing, okay. Similarly, Dvivachanam must be Prathama Bhakti Dvivachanam. Month, what is the Pratyaya? Pratyaya is Au. Therefore, month plus Au.
Mantau.
Mantau. So Mantau. Similarly, here the Pratyaya is Suau. Just means us.
Us.
As means Sakara, Padanta Sakara, Ru, Repa, Visarga. So month plus Aha.
Dhimantaha.
Mantaha. Now, month, Mantau, Mantaha. Similarly, only Sarvanamasthana, will write. Here, month plus 2, 1. What's the Pratyaya?
Um.
Therefore, month plus month of,
Um.
this is 2-1. And month plus so out. I mean, I'm out. That's also month out, right? What about this? We are doing Pullinga. Is it Chornamasana
Yes.
Pratyaya?
No.
No. Therefore, no Num Agama. Therefore, Num will not be there.
Dhimataha.
Only Mat will be there. Mat plus Shas.
Yes.
Shas means content of Shas.
As.
As. And Sakara
Aha.
will be replaced by Aha. Therefore, Mat plus Aha.
Mataha.
Mataha. Now you add the Pratipadika. The month. Dimantau.
Dhimantaha.
Dimantaha. Then Dimantam.
Dhimantam.
Dimantau.
Dhimataha.
Dimataha. Got it. Simple, no?
Mm.
So, but here what will happen? We know. After that, we have to, this is a padam. We have to apply the rules. Dimant plus su is sakara, aprakte ekal pratyaya, lopaha
Ekal
bhavati.
pratyaya.
Then now we have the padam dimant.
Mm.
Dimant is a padam ending with the conjunct consonant. Therefore,
Dirghatvam.
yeah.
The
Dirghatvam
last.
is one thing. Yeah,
And the last is drop.
before making su, lopa, we have to do this. This is one important rule to be applied. So is Sranamasthana Pratyaya. So when Sranamasthana Pratyaya follows, now here only this is condition is important. Atu, right? Those which are Atu among the Vakit, what happens when so follows? The Upada Nakara is there, right? Its Upada will get Dirga. It's a rule. Atmasantasya Chadatoho. The Sutram. Sutram is there. That is, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya Su follows, the Nakara which has come as Num, no, that will be the Upada. Upada means penultimate. Its Upada will get Dirgaha. So do the Dirga. After that, you can make the Su Lopa, Apratyekal Pratyaya Lopa Bhavati. Now we have the Padam ending with conjunct, demand. Now we have a rule, Sandhi rule. What is the rule? The last letter of the conjunct at the end of the Padam, what will happen? Sayogantasya Lopaha.
Lopaha bhavati.
Sayogantasya Padasya Antimavarnasya Lopaha Bhavati. Therefore, you will have demand. That's how you get demand. So the Shabda is done over. What else to discuss? What about Tritiya Bhakti? Tritiya Bhakti, same. Let us take only the Pratyaya. Same means Dimataha we did the same way. Here, what's the Pratyaya? Mat plus
Ta.
Ta is A. Mat plus A. Mata.
Dhimata.
Dimata. And here it is, what will happen here? Here it has the Sanya. Yeah, Anga, the Pratipadikam enjoys Sanya. Padam, right? Therefore, Mat plus Bhyam.
Sandhi Madhyam.
Because it's a Padam, therefore you can apply just
Sandhi
from just from 1, just from 2, therefore Madhyam. Once you know it is Madhyam, here it has to be Mat plus bis. The Padanta Sakara is Visarga, and here also just from 1, just from 2, Madbhihi. Once you do 3, Tritiya Bhakti, after that Chaturthi and all, simple. Just same way as you have done, you have to do 4, 5, 6. Similar here, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Now, 4, 1 will be what's the Pratyaya? Mat plus? Mat plus Nye. Nye content is?
A.
Mat plus Ye?
Mate.
Dimate, that's the Rupam. 4, 2, already Madhyam. 4, 3, it is Madhyas, So 4, 3 and 5, 3 same. 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2 same. And Panchami, 5-1 mat plus
Nasi.
pratyaya is nasi. Nasi content is
Nasi.
same as 2-3 as.
Hmm.
Therefore aha. Takara plus aha. Mataha.
Mataha.
6-1 also same as 5-1. Therefore mataha.
Hmm.
And here mat plus os.
Os.
Os sakara padanta sakara replaced by sarga.
Matoho.
Takara plus oho matoho. And here we have mat plus am.
Ah.
Takara plus am tam.
Matam.
Close. 6-1 done. Once 6-1 is done, 7-1 also. Here you will see 7-1 also. 7-2 is same. 7-1 is ni will do. And 7-3 is there it enjoy padasanya. Now 7-1. Mat plus ni. Ni is e.
Hmm.
Mat plus e.
Mati.
Mati. Matoho same as 6-2. And here,
Hmm.
here it enjoys padasanya. Pratipadikam
Hmm.
enjoys padasanya. Mat plus su. Because it's a padam, just sandhi number 1.
Matsu.
And after that,
Matsu.
charta sandhi, matsu. That's it. Therefore, if you remember this, you get the all. Okay, Dhiman, I remove this. So similarly for other. So therefore, man, mantau, mantaha. And you can have the pratipadikam before, whatever may be the pratipadikam, whether it is Dhiman or Buddhiman, whatever it is. Man,
Buddhiman.
manto, mantaha, mantam, manto, mataha, mata, madbhya, madbihi. It's not mati shabda, okay. Mata, madbhya, madbihi. Here, mate, madbhyam. Oh, 3 to repeat it twice. Mate, madbhyam, madbhyaha. Mataha, madbhyam, madbhyaha. Mataha, matoho. Mata, mati,
Mata.
matoho. Matsu.
Matsu.
So it is Dhiman, Dhiman, Dhimanto, Dhimantaha. Buddhiman, 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 Buddhimanto, Buddhimantaha. If it is Bala, there what will
Balavan.
happen? Replace
Van.
ma by van. Therefore, van, vanto, vantaha, vantam,
Vantaha.
vanto, vataha, vata, vadbyam, vadbihi.
Vatbihi.
If it is patitavat, vatu pratyaya.
Hmm.
Patitavan,
Hmm.
it is vatu.
Hmm.
Where is vatu? Yeah. It is patitavat. So ending with tavat. Right? So tavat. So replace ma by tavat in these forms.
Hmm.
If you replace ma by tavat, what you get? Here makara plus akara is there, right? Replace ma by tava.
Tavat. Tavan.
Tavan. Therefore, tavan,
Pat.
tavantau,
Tavantam. Tavantaha.
Next,
Tavantaha.
patitavan, patitavantau,
Patitavantam. Patitavantaha.
patitavantaha.
Hmm.
Is it not easy?
Hmm.
Simple.
Yes.
This. So here, so therefore here you can note this for the Ugitanta, among the Ugitanta Shabda for Atu ending, if you know this, then it is the Shabdas are known. You need not in fact memorize. This is simple. So this is for the for the up to three only. That is Vatu and Tavatu. Patat is different. That's why I distinguish this from the other one. But all are Ugit. But this is
Hmm.
Tirung,
Trukka.
not
Hmm.
Atung.
Hmm.
Now here what happens? Only one difference. That is the Upada Dirghatam which happens here, right? That doesn't happen.
Hmm.
That's the only difference. Let me copy paste the same thing. The Upada Dirghatam which happens for Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, that is when Supratyaya follows, Sarvanama Supratyaya, that doesn't happen.
Hmm.
So Patat is, content is At, right?
Hmm.
Therefore it becomes An.
Patat. Patan.
So here all, therefore it, see, At is the Patat ending with At, right? At is a
Hmm.
Pratyaya, Shatru Pratyaya, in fact it is. That which is Shatranta. You will see the present participles. Patatra, you get, it is actually Shatru. Shakara is Ithaleta, therefore we say Adru. You will see Shatranta. Okay, the next topic would be Shatranta after Nishtha. Just note, it is At. At is the content of the Shatru Pratyaya. Right? So therefore, At. Now, this is not Ugit. Sorry, this is not Atu. It is Ugit, but not Atu. One day, therefore, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachan Upada Dirghatam doesn't happen. That is when At plus Su, what did we say? Numagama will come. Numagama will come because Ugit. Therefore, Numagama will come. But only thing is, Upada Dirghatam will not happen like it happened for Atu ending. Therefore, you will have Ant plus Su. Su will go away. Apratyaya kal pratyaya. Lopah bhavati. Ant. Therefore, Ant. The word ending with Ant, it's a Padam. Sayoghantaha. Therefore, Antyavarnasya Lopaha. Therefore, An. That's it. An. Therefore, you will have An. And here also, At plus Au. You will get Numagama, Ant. Ant plus Au. Antau. So, can I replace Ma by A? Understand? I can replace Ma by A. Therefore, An. Antau. Antaha. Antam. Antau. Ataha. You all follow or is it confusing? Ata.
Following.
Adbyam.
Adhyam, Adhihi.
Adbihi. Similarly, Ate. Adbyam. Adbyaha. So now if you take this Patat, you add the Dhatu. Pata you add. Because like the Kridanta, this is Shatranta, right? Shatri is, okay, let me tell her that. Shatri, the Pratyaya is Shatru. Shakara is Ithalata, therefore content is Atru. Atru also, Tru also Ithalata, content is At, finally. But the thing is, Shakara being Ithalata, therefore what type of Pratyaya? Sarvadhatika Pratyaya. Yeah, Shit Pratyaya, Sarvadhatika Pratyaya. When Sarvadhatika Pratyaya follows, what will happen, you know? We have seen first Gana, fourth Gana. What will happen?
Gana Vikarna will come.
Gana Vikarna will come. So Pat plus Tip, in the case of Tip Pratyaya, we have seen Dhatu being Pat, Gana Vikarna Shab comes. Therefore, Pat plus Shab plus Tip, right? Remember?
Yes.
Here, what we have is instead of Tip Pratyaya, we have Kridanta Pratyaya. I mean, we have Krit Pratyaya, Shatru. Shatru is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Gana Vikarna must come. Therefore, Pat plus Shab plus Shatru. The only difference is here get a Pradipadikam. In the case of Tinganta, it's a Kriyapadam, Patati. But here we get Patat. How we get? Because Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, therefore Shab Gana Vikarna comes, whose content is A, therefore Pat plus A is Pata. Pata plus Shatru. Content of Shatru being At. Therefore, Pata plus At. Now, what's Sandhi? This is not a Padam. A Padanta Akara followed by a Guna letter. Therefore, Purva Parayogastane Gunaha Pararupa Deshaha Bhavati. Remember Sandhi? Ato Gure. A Padanta Akara, like we did in Patanti, we get Patanti. Pata plus Anti. Not Patanti, right? Not Savanadirga. A Padanta Akara, the condition, the rule is Padanta Akara followed by a Guna letter. This is Guna letter. So Purva Parayogastane Pararupa Desha. That is Guna Desha Bhavati. Therefore, you get Patat. That is how we get Patat. Now, Patat is Pradipadikam. And that is what I am taking here. Patat, Pata plus At. So here it is Pata only. Pata plus At. A plus A becomes An. Same thing. A plus A is Pararupa Sandhi. Patan. The same way everywhere also. Don't make it Patana. Patan. Patantau, Patantah, Patantam, Patantau, Patataha, Patata, Patadbyam, Patadbihi, Patate, Patadbyam, Patadbyaha, here also, Patataha, Patadbyam, Patadbyaha, Patataha, Patatoho, Patata, Patati, Patatoho, Patatu. So difference between the Shatranta and the other Atu ending you can note. The difference is Upada Dirghatum doesn't happen here. We get Patan only. An, Antau, Antaha. Whereas in the case of Atu ending, we have Man, Mantau, Mantaha. Upada Dirghatum. Man or Van, whatever it is. Okay. So now the Kiyat is a Vatu pending. Kiyat, that's what, in fact, we discussed in connection with that. Kiyat is a Pradipadikam. How we get Kiyat? The word Kiyat is derived from the Kim Kim plus Vatu. Okay. How you get, leave it. That is, we need to know Tadita. Just note. Kiyat. So Vatu ending. Vatu means Ugit. Therefore Kiyat you get. Therefore this is a Ugitanta and now Ugitanta Pradipadikam. Therefore Numagama will come and this is Atu ending. Therefore Pratama Vibhakti will be
Kian.
Kian.
Kian. Kianto.
Mm.
Here Kia you can note. This
Mm.
is Kiyat is a Pradipadikam. Atu. Right. So here here we have like Balavat. The Shabda is declined like Balavat. Not no. The Kia plus we can say it is okay. This we don't see Vakara because something else happens. Okay, that's why I said we will not see that. Just note this is Kian Kianto Kiantaha. That an anto just Kian Kianto Kiantaha Kiantam Kianto Kiataha. It is declined. There's a rule. This Vatup is Vakara user. Vakara will be replaced by Gakara. Then Gakara something will happen. If I said, you will not able to follow. That's a certain steps are there. That is Kim plus the Vatup. Vatup will be replaced by Gakara. Vatup means content is Vat. Okay, Kim plus At. The Vakara is replaced by Gakara. And Gakara will be replaced by Iya and Kim Iyat. Then Kim will become here T Lopa will happen. Only Kakara will remain. So Kakara plus Iyat. You get Kiyat. This is how you get. You follow anything, you will not be able to follow. Leave it. That's why I said just note Kiyat. Kiyat is a Pradipadikam. It's a Atu ending. Therefore, Upada Dirghatam happens. And Upada is therefore Upada Dirghatam and Numagama. Therefore, Kian. Kian and Takara becomes Lopaha. Therefore, Kian. Kianto, Kiantaha you get. So take this part and do this, follow the same steps as we did for Dhimat. You get the Rupam, right? We are discussing only Pullinga. So Pullinga Rupam is Kian, Kianto, Kiantaha. Do you follow?
Yes.
So like a Dhimat, here become Dhiman, Dhimanto, Dhimantaha. Before Takara we add Numagama and Upada become Dirga. Similarly here also. Kiyat is before Takara you add Numagama and Upada Akara is make it Dirga. Therefore you get Yant, Kiyant, Kiyan, Kiyanto, Kiyantaha, right? Get the Rupa. Now if you want to convert this into Srilinga, Dhimat, this all Vugitanta can be converted into Srilinga by adding the Pratyaya Neep.
E.
Neep means the content is E. Therefore Dhimat plus E you get
Dhimati.
Dhimati, Buddhimati. Kiyat will become Kiyati.
Kiyati.
Ki is short only, Kiyati. So you can and decline in any gender. Srilinga, add the Pratyaya E, make it into a Ikaranta Pradipadikam. Napumsakalinga as it is. Napumsakalinga is how you decline Takara Jagat Shabda, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti, like that you have to decline. Anyway. Okay, this is something about the Ukitanta Pradipadikam. So it becomes easy now for you to derive the Ukitanta Pradipadikam. So there are different Takaranta. One is Marut Shabda, you need to know separately. That is different. Other Takarantas is Ukitanta Pradipadikam. And among them, we have two divisions. One will get Num, other will not get Num. Which will get Num? The Atu ending will get Num. Other than Atu will not get Num. Like Shatru will not get Num. If you know this, then the Shabdas are easy. Easy way to remember without getting too much into the Sutra. This is what I elaborately have done here in this file. It's a 20 pages file. Ukitanta, I given some examples here. ES zone, that is also another interesting. ES zone. In this lesson itself, we have seen the word ES zone. Like, okay, let me do that, explain that. ES zone, what is ES zone? ES zone, Ishtan, the last class I told, ES zone, Romer. ES zone, what is ES zone? The pratyaya which is added to a pratipadikam in the sense of comparative. Right? The sense of comparative. ES zone pratyaya. So you have take the pratyaya alone. Forget about the declension. Take the pratyaya. What is the content of the pratyaya? Yes. Now this is a pratipadikam. I mean this pratyanta. We are talking about pratyanta pratipadikam. This is a pratyaya, and of course this is derived from pratipadik. One pratipadikam is that pratipadikam. We add the yesun pratyaya, and you get the yesun pratyanta pratipadikam. Now whatever may be the pratipadikam. Now what the ending of the pratipadikam would be sakaranta, because the pratyaya is yesun, and nakara is it, ukara also it, therefore it will be sakaranta. So therefore this yesun, this is different from this. These are all takaranta, whereas we have now sakaranta. Understand? Yesun is sakaranta. Now sakaranta pratipadikam. Now take the example of Shreyas. Let me take Shreyas. Shreyas is also derived from the word is derived from by adding es pratyaya to the prashasya plus esun. So one sutram is there. Okay, forget about sutram. The prashasya is a pratipadikam which will take esun pratyaya, and prashasya will be replaced by shri. Shri plus esun. Then shri prashasya shrayah, not shriyah. Shrayah. Then A plus E will take we'll have Shreya. Finally you get Shreyas. You get A plus E becomes A, Shreyas. So that's why you get Shreyas. Shreyaha Nishitam Durgi Tanme. Shreyas. Moksha, in the sense of moksha, the word Shreyas is used, which is better in that meaning, and means in the sense, and also in the meaning of moksha, the word you will find in Gita. So Shreyas is yesun. Yesun means it is Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Right? Therefore, what will happen? Because it is Ugitanta Pratipadikam, the same steps you have to follow. I just copy this. We'll copy this. Ugitanta Pratipadikam, it is us ending. Okay. So we'll copy this. So I said when atu ending is that numagama then upada dirgat. Similarly for asu also. This is asu. Different from shatru. Similar to atu. This also will get upada dirgatum. Nakara will numagama will come, and then upada dirgatum. Now Shreyas, the last two part you take yes. So numagama will come where? Here. Right? Numagama will come and upada will become dirga. Upada means yakara will become ya.
Yeah.
Therefore, what you will get? Iyan.
Shreyan.
And Shreyan. Therefore, here you will have Shreyas Shabda itself you take. Yes is there, Numagama, then Upada Dirgatum, Yans. So let me take Yans, because yes is there, that part of the Pratyaran we take. Yans, then
Yantav. Yantaha.
So here, what is okay, here is Shreyans, then the Su would becomes Lopaha, Apratyekal Pratyaya Lopaha. Then this is ending with the conjunct. Therefore Sakarasya Lopaha, therefore Yan you get. Therefore Yan. Therefore Shrey plus Yan, Shreyan. Right? Shreyan. Then after that, Pratyaya is ending with yes. Yes plus Au. Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Right? Sorry, yes, not yet. Yes. So here what will happen? Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Therefore, Numagama comes. Right? And this is for this Asu ending. Asu ending, there is something special is there. That is, Upada Dirgatum also happens even for other Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, Yan will become Yan, sorry,
Yan.
Yan will become Yan.
Yan.
So Yan, this is specific for this Asu. In fact, us. It is better to say us. Okay, anyway, nothing wrong in because we are not saying Sutra Asu. If you understand, it's not a problem now. So this is different from Atu. You can note. So Upada Dirgatvam happens even for other Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya. In the case of Atu, we have seen only for 1-1. But here it will happen for 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 2-1, 2-2. Right? So therefore, Yans plus Au, Nakara plus Sakara plus Au, what will happen? Yan so Apadanta Nakara will be followed by Jal letter. Therefore, you know it will become Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Therefore, Yam so we get. You follow? First it is Pratyaya is yes. Yes plus Au. And for this Asu ending, what will happen? Even when other Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya follows, that is Au, out, and out, Upada Dirgat, Nummagama and then Upada Dirgatam, both will happen. In that way, it is different from Atu. So Nummagama you do and Upada Dirgatam, then Yan plus Apadanta Nakara, Yan plus Sakara becomes Yan so. Okay, then what about the Bhagavachanam? Yes plus Pratyaya is just. Content is as Visarga. Nummagama and then Upada Dirgatvam. Apadanta Nakara will become Anuswara. Therefore, Sakara is here. Sakara plus Aha. Yam Saha. Now you add Shay before that. You get the declension. Shayan, Shreyam Sau, Shreyam Saha. That's how we get. Understand? Okay. Then similarly here also. Yes plus Nummagama and Upada Dirgatvam. Then Apadanta Nakara will become Yam Sam, right? Yam Sam. And 2 same as 1-2, Yam So. And this is not Sarvanavasthana, Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, here yes plus as, that is Shas. Shakara is iterator and the content is Sakara, then Padanta Sakara Aha. Here what will happen? Sakara plus I've just joined. That's it. Nothing happens. Saha. Shreyasaha, you get pretty good. Shreyan, Shreyamso, Shreyamsaha, Shreyamsam, Shreyamso, Shreyasaha. And 3-1.
Shreyasa.
Yes plus A. Yasa.
Shreyasa.
And here, interesting. Yes plus, you know what will happen. Yes plus Byam. Byam follows, therefore, the yes ending, that is Yanga, must be, and Anga enjoys the Sanya Padam. Therefore, Padanta Sakara now. What will happen? Padanta Sakara, Ru.
Visarga.
Not Visarga. Padanta Sakara preceded by Ha, followed by Hash. Therefore, Uttvadeshaha. Don't forget. Therefore, you get A plus U, Yo. Therefore, Yobhyam. You follow? Understand? Padanta Sakara, yes. Yeah, because I said Padanta Sakara, you said no. You said the Visarga Desha. Sorry. Okay. It's Sakara, Padanta Sakara, but what will happen? Padanta Sakara. Room will come. Okay. What you said I will do. Padanta Sakara will become room. And now room will it become Visarga? No. Because followed by a soft consonant. And this room not at the end of the whole. This is whole, it's a Padam. Therefore, what will happen? Ru preceded by Ha, followed by Hash. Therefore, Ru will be replaced by U. Right? Therefore, A plus U is O Gunasandhi. Therefore, Yobhyam. Therefore, you get Yobhyam. For 4-2, also Yobhyam, 5-2 also. The same thing here. Here it will become Yobhihi. And here it will be Yobhyaha. Here also Yobhyaha. And 4-1, S plus A, SA.
Hmm.
5-1, S plus us become Yasaha.
Hmm.
6-1,
Yes,
stay,
sir.
Yasaha. 6-2, S plus
Hmm.
Os, Yasoho.
Yes, sir.
And 6-3, S plus Am, Yasam.
Sam.
7-1, S plus C, Yasi.
Yes, sir.
And 7-2, Yasoho.
Hmm.
And here, 7-3, what will happen? S plus Su. This is Padanta Sakara. Make it a room. Room preceded by her, followed by it's a cur letter. Don't worry about what precedes. Because cur letter follows, therefore this room will become Visarga, and Visarga followed by Su, that is cur letter. Visarga optionally can be replaced by Sakara. Therefore, we have two forms. One is this form, other one is Yasu.
Yes, sir.
Now add Shre before. Shreyan, Shreyamso, Shreyamsaha. Shreyamsam, Shreyamso,
Shreyamsam Shreyasaha.
Shreyasaha. Shreyasa, Shreyobhyam,
Shreyobhyam
Shreyobhihi.
Shreyobhyam Shreyase.
Shreyase, Shreyobhyam,
Shreyobhyam
Shreyobhyaha.
Shreyobhyaha.
Shreyasaha,
Shreyasaha.
Shreyobhyam, Shreyobhyaha. Shreyasaha, Shreyasoho, Shreyasam. Shreyasi, Shreyasoho,
Shreyasu.
Shreyasu. This is Yasu. If suppose if it is Kaniyas, Kaniyan, Kaniyamso, Kaniyamsaha,
Saha.
Kaniyamsam, Kaniyamso,
Kaniyamso.
Kaniyasaha.
Kaniyasaha.
Right? Understand?
Hmm.
So if it is Jeshta, Jayan, Jayamso, Jayamsaha,
Jayansaha.
it declined like that.
Hmm.
Srilinge, again, as I
Hmm.
told, this is Ugitanta,
Kaniyasi.
therefore this will get the pratyaya, whose content is E.
E.
So ES plus E will become ESE.
ESE.
Now it is like Nadi Shabda.
Hmm.
So therefore Nadi Shabda, Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha, Kaniyasi, Kaniyasyo, Kaniyasyaha, Jayasi. That's why Buddhihi, Jayasi, Manaha.
Hmm.
Right? Okay. Now, please see, this is Asu ending, therefore Numahama. Okay. To distinguishing from this, how do you decline Manas Shabda? Manas is not Ugit. Please note. By seeing the Shabda, we cannot make it. See, Shreyas is Ugitanta. Shreyas, similarly, Jayas is Ugitanta. Kaniyas, Ugitanta. But Manas is not Ugitanta. Manas is different. It is not Ugitanta. It is us. All these are Asumu. Asu, finally, it is Asu only. This is also ascending only. Manas also. But different from this Yesun Pratyanta Shabda. It means it is not Ugit. It means no Numakama. Right? So if it is no Numakama, then how it is derived. Let me copy this. No Numakama, no Numakama, therefore, no Numakama, then Upada Digatum and all will not happen. So Manas will be. Okay, Manas is Napumsakalinga. So don't take Manas. Let us take some Pullinga, because Napumsakalinga we are not seen yet. Napumsakalinga Prakaranam is different. So let us take some Pullinga Shabda. Like I will take the Shabda Vedas, which is there, the Shabda Manjari. Vedas, not the Mahaprana. Brahmaji Ityartaha. Okay. Veda is Maha. Now this is not Ukitanta. Now what will happen to this? This not Ukitanta, but this is also what common thing between them is us. If this is not Ugitanta, therefore no Numakama. But common thing is us is there. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam will happen. Upada Dirgatvam will happen only for one, not for all. Therefore, here, if you take us, Upada Dirgatvam, Aha, will become Ah. And Padanta Sakara becomes Visarga. So Aha, then it will happen only for one. Please note. That is why the difference, even the See, even though the us is the ending, but there's a difference between the two us. This us is from assume.
So,
This is not assume. Okay, this is just us. Therefore, unlike this shabda, upada dirghatam only will happen only for one word, not for other sarvanamastana. Therefore, pratama bhakti ekavachanam will be vedhaha, and dvivachanam would be us plus au. It become au,
it is so.
asau.
So,
Then us plus just asaha, the etasaha. Similarly, here also asam, asau, asaha. Similarly, here asa, vedasa. Then here, what will happen? Here, I will do this. Suppose if we take Vedas plus Bhyam, this is ascending, right? Ascending, Padanta Sakara, replaced by room. So therefore, this room preceded by ha followed by ash, the room will become u. Therefore, a plus u is o. Therefore, o Bhyam. So Veda, if you had before Vedho Bhyam, a plus Vedho Bhyam, o Bhyam. Here becomes similarly o Bihi, Vedho Bihi. And here all it is ase, Obhyam, Obhya. This also same. Asaha, Obhyam, Obhyaha. Asaha, Vedas, as plus os. This is oho, right? Asoho. Sakara plus oho, asoho. Similarly here, as plus am, asam. And here, asi, asoho. Here also the same thing we have. Padanta Sakara followed by this. Therefore, you'll have asu. Either like this. Check the Shabda Manjari, you will have the form. So Vedaha, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam is just add Veda plus Aha, Vedaha. So you will have Vedaha, Vedasau, Vedasaha, Vedasam, Vedasau, Vedasaha, Vedasa, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobihi, Vedase, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobhyaha, Vedasaha, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobhyaha, Vedasaha, Vedasoho, Vedasam, Vedasi, Vedasoho, Vedasu, right? This is different. Anyway, this, if you don't know, it's fine. But all these are Ugitanta, Pratipadikam. Two things happen. Numakama and Upadadirgattam. Upadadirgattam, to which, which Anga will happen and followed by which Pratyaya. So that you have to see, depending on what the Pratyaya is. So that is why the Ith letters are important. Okay, Ith letter plays a role. So this is what here in my notes you have seen. Ugitanta, Shatru, Tavatu, Matu, Vatu, Davatu, Yesun, all are Ugit. One common thing is they are all Ugit. Ugitva, therefore, Num Bhagavati, Sarnavasthane Pratyaya Pare. And among them there are Atu ending. Tavatu, Matu, Vatu, Davatu, not Shatru. Not Shatru, not Yesu. They are not Atu ending. Why Atu ending separately given? Because Upada Dirghatam happens only for one. Dhiman, remember that. Upada Dirghatam happens when Asambuddhisu follows, that is one follows. That is by the rule. Atvasantasya chadataho, we will see that. The sutra Atvasantasya chadataho, Atum is mentioned. Atu ending, Pratipadikam, and followed by Sarnamasana Pratyaya will get Num. Similarly, As ending. Here, this sutra says only Upada Dirghatam. Okay, not Num. Atu ending will get Upada Dirghatam and Sarnamasana Pratyaya. Su follows. Similarly, As also, As ending also. That is why Vedas become Upada Dirghatam, Vedaha you get. This sutra, this rule states Upada Dirghatam happens when Sarvanamasana Pratyaya Su follows. Follows Atu ending and As ending. Okay. Anyway, this is about Ugitartha. Now, coming back to the lesson, we will develop on that later. Just this much you understand. Otherwise, it will become too much. Already, I think it's too much. Okay, this is now Kiyata. Kiyata is no, Kiyat is the Pratipadikam, like Dhimata, Kiyata, Tritiya Vibhakti, right? Ata Kiyata Kalena, coming back to the lesson, Saha Vaishyaha, Kala Dharmam, Gataha. Kala Dharmam is Maranam, Niyate Ityartaha, Shariram Tyajati, Pranatyaham Karoti. Tasya Sarvamapi Dhanam Putrina, this Putrinim, that's what I said. The last class, Namadhatu. It is derived from a Pratipadikam. Dhatu Putrinim, Putraha Asya Asti iti. Sorry, this is not Amadhatu, Kshamita. This is Karin Shabda. Karin Shabdavat. Putrinim is, the word is derived from a Putra. It's a, like the Karaha Asya Asti iti Karin. Similarly, Putraha Asya Asti iti Putrin, Putri, Putrinau, Putrinaha, you can decline. So Srilinga here. Therefore, Putrin plus E Putrini is a Pratipadikam, right? So therefore, Putrinim, like Nadi Shabdavat. Putrinim Kaniyasim Gachati. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Nadim. Putrinim. So this is a Taditanta word. Okay. Not Namadhatu. Okay. The Putrinim Kaniyasim Gachati. Sarvamapi Dhanam. Putrinim referring to the one who has the son. Who has a son among the two? Kaniyasi. So Putrinim Kaniyasim. Putrini is the Ikaranta Shabda Pratipadikam. Putraha Asya Asti. Srilinga. Putraha Asya Asti iti Putrin. Nakaranta Shabda. That is Nakaranta for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Srilinga need to add E Pratyaya. Ni Pratyaya. Once you add Ni, it become Putrini. Then Nadi Shabdavat. And Dutya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Because it's karma here. Kaniyasim Gachati. What Gachati? Sarvam Dhanam Gachati. Dutya Vibhakti, because it is karma. Therefore, Putrinim, Sarvam Dhanam, Kaniyasim, Putrinim Gachati. Jayasi to Tat Asan Tatana Asagata. Could not tolerate. Ataha Sa Yachintayat. Visheshena Chintanam Karoti. What? Yadi Shisham Mamam Imam Vadiyam Katayishyami Tarki Magat Dhanam. Bhaktu Dhanam. This is what we are discussing. Mam Yeshyati, right? In the last class. Okay, that's where we stopped. Power went off in between. Yeah. What is the dhatu here? This is the dhatu the Kriya Padam we were discussing in the last class. You remember?
Eshyati.
So, what is the Yeshyati? There only we saw that it is a Sandhi. What Sandhi? Pararupa. Remember? Upasarga ending with Avarna. Avarna when followed by the yang form of the dhatu, then we get Pararupa. There is no Vriddhi, right? Remember last class, this is where we were discussing, then we had internet disruption. Okay. So what dhatu now? It is in gatau dhatu. We're discussing two dhatu. In gatau. I don't have the document anyway. In means E. The content is short E, not long one. In gatau. Content is Nakara is the letter. Okay. Content is E. E means to go. To come. You need to add upasarga. So plus future tense, Syati. So A plus E plus Ya plus T. This is Sakara is Pratyay Sakara. Preceded by E. Therefore, this Ya becomes Shati. And this in Gatav is Anid Dhatu, therefore no Itakama. A plus E will become. Here only we are discussing A plus E will not become Vriddhi, not Aishati, but Yeshati. Why? Avarnantopasarga followed by the this Shati will cause Guna. Please don't forget. Because Adadatuka Pratyaya, therefore E will become what? Like Bu become Bo. E become Ye. A plus A. A plus A will not become Vriddhi I. Instead, A plus A will become A only. Therefore Yeshati. So Yeshyati means it will come.
Come.
What will come?
Dhanam.
Dhanam will come. That is what Yeshyati, that is Dhatu, what we were discussing. Please check
Mm.
with the last class ending. So
Yes.
Mam Yeshyati comes to me.
Me.
Mam
Mm.
Yeshyati. It will come to me, right? Bhartuga Dhanam
Mm.
Mam Yeshyati. So from the form of the Dhatu we know. Mam Yeshyati. This Dhatu is not a Sek Dhatu, Hing Dhatu. That is I think that is what we were discussing. This is E Purvaka, sorry, Apurvaka in Gato Dhatoho Lit Lakara Rupam Yeshyati. Right? So A plus E, generally what will happen? Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
How Vriddhi Guruji? It should be only Guna only.
But here Guna happens. Why? Because when Avarnanta
No.
Upasarga is followed by
A plus E is only Guna only, no Guruji. Only for
I
A
mean,
plus E.
not A plus E, A plus A. That is Enganta Rupam of the Dhatu. So E has become A, therefore Enganta Rupam of the Dhatu, whatever may be the Dhatu. Then
Okay.
preceded by the Upasarga ending with Varna, Akara, Akara. Then Pura Parayavastane, Pararupaha Desha Bhavati. So Yengi, Pararupam, that Sandhi will apply. Therefore A plus A is A only, not I.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, so Ashyati, it will come to me. Fine. Then, the next line we have to read. Please read. Last line. With that, we will stop today and continue next class.
एवं विचिन्त्य सा बालकमादाय प्रतस्ते कनीयसी तां वारयति स्म.
Yeah. So, Evam Vichintya Sa Balakam Adaya Prataste. What is Prataste? Prataste. See, he is using all the lakaras just to, make you familiar with the lakara. Lat lakara, he used Gachati. And Achintayat, this is Asagata, Lang lakara. Katayishyami, Eshyati, future tense, lit lakara. Now, prataste. This is lit lakara. Remote past, in fact, it is. Not required to use here. Why remote past? We can use because it's a story. Therefore, he is telling the story to us. Therefore, he says prataste. It's a lit lakara. Remote. Like Ramaha Vanam Jagama. Ramaha Vanam Gachati, lat lakara. Ramaha Vanam Agachat, lang lakara. Ramaha Vanam Gamishyati, future tense. Right? So Ramaha Vanam Jagama, lit lakara.
Remote past.
Remote past it is. I mean, he went to the forest. It's a story, happened once. So similarly here, he uses stadatoho, stadato lat lakara rupam tishtati. Right? And future tense, stasyati. Lang lakara, atishtat.
Atishtat.
Lot lakara, tishtatu. Ling lakara, tishtet. All those things we know, right? Then is using here lit lakara. If you have lung lakara, another lakara, but okay, we have not seen that. Now lit lakara, remote past, will be. He says it says taste. Taste. So prataste. Prataste is balakam adaya. Prataste. Here it is tastau, tastatuhu, tastuhu. So prataste is then 1 minute. So taste, prataste. It is tastau, tastatuhu. Jayasi Vichintya Balakam Prataste, lit lakara. So Litlakara, if you see the form, okay, Litlakara we have not seen, and in fact I have not thought of the even the advanced students also. Some simple Rupam I have taught. It's not difficult, but it's a completely different prakriya. So now Tasdatu Oho Rupam will be Tastau. Tastau. It is null atus us tastau tastu tasta atus tastuhu null atus us tastuhu. Pratama Purusha alone is enough. So tastau tastatuhu tastuhu. So here the pratyayas are different. Null atus, then null atus tus. These are the pratyaya. Like we have a tip tasji. Similarly for lit nakara, we have the pratyaya null atus tus. Null atus us. The pratyaya null atus tus. So the form of stadatu tastau. We can say Ramaha. Tasto means tishtati. I mean, he stood there. Ramaha vane tastau. You can say Ramaha vane tasto means he stayed in the vana. Tasto, remote past. Ramaha vane tishtati. Ramaha vane atishtat. Ramaha vane tasyati. Ramaha vane tasto. So remote past tasto. But here the stadatu, it's a parasmay dhatu. But the lesson, yes, the author has used the upasarga pra. So when pra is used, the stadatu, then it will take atmanepadi pratyaya. Then it will take atmanepadi pratyaya. There we have the pratyaya ye. Therefore, you will have
Prataste.
prataste. How sta become taste? Duplication happens. It is out of scope. Don't worry about that. You have to duplicate. Sta, then certain things will happen. Duplication. Then you get the form taste. Prataste. So that is what here you used. Prapurvaka stadatoho atmanepadi rupam. How stadatu can be atmanepadi? Stadatu can take atmanepadi rupam when the upasarga is pra. There is a rule. There is a rule. When pra upasarga is there, the stadatu will be in atmanepadi. Like we have seen. Ji dhatu, for example. Ji is jayati, right? But what about para and vi? Vijayate, parajayate. Ji dhatu takes atmanepadi. So when upasarga changes, when upasarga is there, or different upasargas are used, then the dhatu can take the other, atmanepadi pratyaya. Example, ji dhatu. Ji dhatu example we have seen. Vijayate. Jayati, not jayate. Jayate in Mundaka Upanishad, it is Chandasam. But vi upasarga, it must be Vijayate. Similarly, stadatu with the pra upasarga, it must be atmanepadi. Therefore, prataste. Otherwise, just tasto. If pra, suppose pra is not used here,
Yes.
tasto. That is balakam adaya tasto. Having brought, tishtati isma. So balakam adaya prataste. Ka prataste, sa prataste. Sa ka
Jayasi.
jayasi prataste. She stood there. That's the meaning. So remote past he using. Litlakara uses. Why he uses? It's too much actually for this Bala, Samskrita Bala Darsha. Anyway, prataste. Just making us familiar with the Litlakara Rupam. So in the Ramodantam, it's a small text. There and all you will see the remote past. Even in Gita, what is Uvacha? Remote past. Uvacha, Uchatuhu, Uchuhu. Uvacha, from the Vachdatu, you get the form. Spoke, Bhagavan spoke. When did he speak? Remote. Uvacha. It's a Litlakara. In fact, in the Gita, Dadmugu, Shankan, Dadmau, Dadmugu, how do you get? All the Litlakara Rupam. Right? Dadmau, Dadmatuhu, Dadmuhu. See,
Mm.
you can see the similarity. Here, Tastau, Tastatuhu, Tastuhu, I said, right?
Tastuhu.
Similarly, that dhatu is Dma dhatu, Dma to blow. But what happens? Duplication. Dma will become Dadma. So Dadmau, the form is Dadmau, Dadmatuhu, Dadmuhu. Takara. Shankan, Dadmau, that is Bhishma. Shankan, Dadmau. Then Dadmuhu comes. Shankam, Dadmau, that Pitamagaha. Then Shankan, Dadmuhu. Right? Comes Gita. So Dadmuhu Bhagavachanam. Pratham Purusha Bhagavachanam. So Tastau, Tastaduhu, Tastuhu, Dadmo, Dadmatuhu, Dadmuhu. Similarly, this is one form. This is a particular, now for some dhatu get this form, Au, Atus like that. Now, Jagama, Gam dhatu, went. Jagama, Jagmatuhu,
Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu.
Jagmuhu. This is Gam dhatu. Gam dhatu rupam becomes Jagama. Right? Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu. Uvacha, Uchatuhu. Uvacha, Uchatuhu, Uchuhu. Right? So you get like that. Anyway, so Prataste is Prapuraka Stadatu. That will be Atmanepadi. So she stood. U, that Jayasi, Evam Vichintya, thought thus. Balakam Adaya. Adaya is Lebanta. Apuraka Dhadatu Lebanta. Having brought the son, she stood there. Kaniyasi Tam.
Varayati sma.
Varayati is
Stop.
prevent. Stop.
Mm.
Vru Dhatu Nijanta Rupam. Okay. Vru Dhatu. In fact, the Vru Dhatu in the 10th Gana, we have a Dhatu. Okay. So Vru plus Nich, Vari, Vare, Varaya, Varayatisma. So Varayatisma is Avarayat. Right? Lung. Sma, the particle tells it is Lung
Past
Rupam. It is past tense, not Lung Rupam, past tense. Right? Varayati. Okay. So Varayati, Nivarayati, Pratishedati ityartaha. Nivartayati. Varayati. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Then second paragraph, we will see. Next class.
Guruji, one doubt, Guruji. This Varayati is what Purusha? This is Pratama Purusha or Uttama Purusha?
How can be Uttama? Uttama, if it is Uttama, then it should be me, right? Me was must.
Smaha is Uttama Purusha, right?
No. Don't confuse Sma. Sma is, it is not Smaha. It is Sma, the particle. Sma when it is used along with the present tense, it gives a sense of the past tense, right? Nothing to do with, it's Kriya Padam. It's not a Kriya Padam, Sma. Sma is just a particle. It is not, don't confuse with Asti, Staha, Asti, Staha, Santi, Asi, Staha, Sa, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. That is different. That is not this.
Okay.
Okay, this is when Sma is used with any let Rupam, it gives a sense of past tense. It gives a past tense sense. So Patati Sma means Apatat. It means Apatat. He read. Gachati Sma means Agachat. He went. Varayati Sma is she prevented. Understand?
Oh, got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, I think we have seen this became this one before also. Okay, Varayati Sma means that's why I said Avarayat. Prevented. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Today's whatever I typed the notes is in zigzag manner. I'll send you. You can have your write it later. Have your notes. I'll send you whatever I did. Yeah. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. हरिः ओम् धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः गुरुजी। धन्यवादः।
Mom.